Namaskar students, I hope you all are fine. Today we will start the first lesson in SS and the name of the lesson is Heritage of India. The weightage of this lesson is 3 marks in board examination. So let's start the lesson. Lesson starts with the one shlok of Vishnu Puran. Uttaram yat samudrasya himadreshcheva dakshinam varshitad bharat nama Bharati yatra sansati. Means India is a country where there is a Himalaya mountain range in northern side and water bodies in southern side, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. And this country is known as India Bharatvarsh. The different ancient names of India: Bharatvarsh, Bharatkhand, Aryabrat, Jambudvip. These are the different ancient names of India. Indian culture is 5000 years old civilized culture, and this culture has known as the Indus Valley civilization also. 5000 years old civilized culture means 5000 साल से अभी तक जितने भी सारे the different dynasty came over here and transferred their culture to generation and thus make the Indian culture. In the 9th standard you have studied about the geographical location and area and regarding that information that the India ranks the second in population and India ranks 7th in area wise. Here we will study about the rich and varied heritage. This word is very important in this lesson, heritage. In 7th SS 1 to 7 lesson, that is regarding about the heritage. Heritage, that means virasat, dharohar, which things we get from our ancestors, our forefathers, that is called the heritage. विरासत के तौर पर, धरोहर के स्वरूप में जो हमको मिलती है हमारे पूर्वजों से, उसको हम बोलते हैं heritage. And India has a very rich and varied heritage culture. These three things, the realization of Indian culture: Sat, Chit and Anand. That means truth, concentration and pleasure. That is the real pillars, real realizations of our Indian culture. 5000 साल से लेकर आज तक जितने भी लोग हमारे देश के अंदर हो गए, स्किल्स पर्सन्स, लेबरर्स, स्कल्पचर्स, आर्टिशियंस, scientists, doctors, philosophers, sages, saints, great leaders, warriors, these all are gave the contribution to develop of our Indian culture. So that means the meaning of the culture, the question can be asked in 2 marks in your exam. What is the meaning of culture? So meaning of culture means total of all the values, customs, lifestyles. These are the meaning of the culture. The way of life. The culture means the way of life. The culture means all the totals since the 5000 years till to the today. Since Indian civilization till to the today, whatever we have achieved, that is the culture of India. The culture heritage of India. So the India, in every morning the students say the pledge, the India is my country, and in this pledge there is one sentence: I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. हमको गर्व है अपनी संस्कृति पर, अपने धरोहर पर. ये हम रोज सुबह बहुत ही उत्साह और उमंग से बोलते हैं. So these are about the great things of our country India. India has also the natural heritage country. We are the lovers of nature. We are the lovers of environment. The natural lover peoples. Mountains, rivers, vegetations, wildlife. These are different natural vegetations. So, the Indian story, the Panchtantra and Jatak Katha of Buddhism describe the importance of the nature. And it shows that we have given the more importance to the nature. Over all the music, folk song, different rags, that is based on the prahar. Prahar, that means the period of the day. जैसे सुबह का प्रहर, दोपहर का प्रहर, शाम का प्रहर, all the ragas and all these Music folk culture is based on the Prahar. We are the children of the nature and we love our nature. So the heritage can be divided into two parts, natural heritage as well as the cultural heritage. Landscape, rivers, vegetation, wildlife, these all are the natural heritage. One by one we will study. Landscapes, the beautiful, lofty and longest Himalaya mountain range, that is the beautiful landscapes of our country. In different parts of our country, in the northern east side, in the southern side, in western side, every part we have very beautiful mountains and beautiful landscape. Pilgrimage places like Amarnath, Badrinath, Kedarnath, these all are also the beautiful landscapes of our country and we are proud of. These are in our, this part of our country. Next is the rivers, very important question. It can be asked 2 marks in your examination. Indian culture is a river culture. Indian culture, we have considered the rivers as a Lok Mata. Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Sindhu, Godavari, Kaveri, Tapi, these all are Indus. These all are very important rivers of our country. And you all of you know what is the importance of water and rivers. Water is a life. The main purpose is the drinking purpose, domestic purpose, industrial purpose. So the water is a part of our life. We cannot imagine our life without water. We cannot survive without water. So the rivers is very important. From morning to evening and night, every there is work, we have connected with the water and the rivers. So the Indian culture is a river culture. This is a very important question. The rivers. Next, the vegetation. You have studied in the 9th standard, the 17th lesson, the vegetation. In this lesson, in the 9th standard, you have studied the different types of the forest and vegetations. भारत की जो आयुर्वेद है यूनानी पद्धति है और हमारी आयुर्वेद पद्धति बहुत सालों पुरानी है. आंवला, एलोवेरा, हरडे, अश्वगंधा, these all are the different, very neem tree, these are the different, that is the species and a very important vegetations of our country. And also we give them a respect to vegetation also. हम उसकी पूजा भी करते, वर्शिप करते, जैसे बनियन ट्री है, तुलसी ट्री है. So these are very important vegetations. तो हम अपने कल्चर को, हम अपने संस्कृति को, नेचर को सिर्फ हम एक यूजेबल थिंग्स के जैसे ही नहीं देखते. वी रिस्पेक्ट देम, वी लव देम, वी ऑनर देम, उसकी हम पूजा भी करते. दैट इज द इंपोर्टेंस ऑफ आवर इंडियन कल्चर. वाइल्ड लाइफ, वी हैव स्टडीड इन द 18th लेसन इन द 9th स्टैंडर्ड द डिफरेंट स्पीशीज ऑफ द वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑफ आवर कंट्री. Lion, tiger, bear, rhino, and different types of the fishes and different types of the mammals, animals. These are the very varied, beautiful life, wildlife of our country. Lion, you all of you know, the Gujarat Asiatic lion is a famous in all over the world, and Gujarat in all over the Asia, the Gujarat the place where the lion is found, Asiatic Game lion. We give also the respect. आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे हमारे हिंदू धर्म के देवी देवता है, वो कोई ना कोई एनिमल्स के ऊपर विराजमान होते हैं. सो वी लव देम, रिस्पेक्ट देम, उसकी पूजा भी करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हिंदू संस्कृति के अंदर गाय सबसे पूजनीय जो प्राणी, जो एनिमल्स माना गया है. सो दिस शोज द रिस्पेक्ट एंड लव टू अवर इंडियन कल्चर. हमारी इंडियन करेंसी में भी 4 फिगर ऑफ लायन, द नेशनल एम्ब्लेम, द 4 फिगर ऑफ लायन, और उसके अंदर भी बुलॉक, हॉर्स, ऐसे एनिमल्स को हमने इंक्लूड करके वी शो देम दैट वी रिस्पेक्ट एंड लव अवर कंट्री. वी ऑल्सो मेड द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन फॉर प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ द वाइल्ड लाइफ इन अवर कंट्री. सो दीज आर अबाउट द नेचुरल हेरिटेज ऑफ अवर इंडिया. I hope you understood all the topics very well. In the next video, we will study about the culture heritage of India and Gujarat. Culture heritage, that means created by the human, created by the man, that is called the culture heritage. So in the next video, we will study about the culture heritage of India and culture heritage of Gujarat. Thank you.